Content Gardens are the St. Anne Division 1 champions after defeating Phoenix All-Stars Academy 3-1 at Draxall on Sunday. Christopher Scott reports.
The stage was set for an exciting matchup to determine who would lift the Division 1 crown. Despite there being end-to-end action in the first half, there were no goals. It was in the second stanza where both teams got off the mark. Lavarda Scott was the one to break the deadlock, giving Content Gardens the lead in the 64th minute. As they looked set to get the victory, up stepped Devraj Singh for Phoenix, getting the equalizer in the 90th minute to push the game to extra time. Content were not to be denied as Jordan Phillips found the net in the 107th minute, with Dwayne 10 sealing the deal in minute 114. Head coach of Content Gardens Desiree Brown says this victory was icing on the cake.
Today's game was a hard-fought game, but we had a game plan and we stuck to it. The game plan was staying to the game for 75 minutes. As long as we are in the game for 75 minutes, then we are going to win this game. There's no other way to stay into the game because these guys are younger, so we expect them to run a lot, but the football cannot get tired. So we keep the football, we frustrate them, we play the game, and after 75 minutes, 80 minutes, then we go for the kill. That was the game plan, and it was well executed.
Chairman of the Phoenix All-Stars Academy, Craig Butler, believes the odds were stacked against them.
I just think that the physicality of it and, the referees really let it get out of hand. These are 14 and 15-year-olds. I know, I understand that it's an adult competition, but there should be a certain level of protection against the players. So it's two, very, very cynical tackles. And,
Danny Beckford is the president of the St. Anne Football Association.
Very good. We are in this competition goes deep into the communities. The communities are Golden Grove, or Content, or Bamboo, anyway in the communities, so we have community-based support for this Division 1. And it argues well for even the school youths who playing for schools and playing for the divisions. So it's a very good look for the Division 1, and once we have the resources, we'll continue.
Champions Content Gardens United and Phoenix All-Stars have both progressed to the parish's Major League competition next year. Christopher Scott, TVJ Sports.